All right, guys. So in this video, I'm going to explain how do we trigger Charlie based off either Instagram comment on post or a Facebook comment on post. I already built it all out, so this video doesn't become extremely long, but I'll go through each step in going through this, okay? So first things first, before you even do any of this, is you need to integrate your Facebook fan page and your IG inside of the GHL account, right? So I'm going to just go back and get out of this particular account, and then I am going to go into settings, and then I'm going to go into integrations. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and connect my Facebook and my IG account here. And then once it is connected, it'll show up to something like this. After that, then you can use this feature. All right, so now I'm going to go back in automation. I'm going to go back into the Charlie Native use cases, and then I made one specifically for this. So where are you? Here we go, organic AI setter, IG FB comments. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And then I'm going to go through each step so you can just follow along and literally copy it if you like. Okay, first things first is we need a trigger for Charlie. Okay, so the first one is called Instagram comment on posts. All right, so I'm gonna just bring myself over here. Instagram comment on posts. So for instance, if I wanted to bring that up here, Instagram comment on posts, that's what that one is. All right, then when you do bring it up, you're gonna set it up to something like this. So this and this is the same, right? And then you pick the page, right? Once you integrate your fan page, you'll see it pop up here, right? For this one, it's supermodel transformation. Now, and then after that, we are going to select contains phrase. And then what is that keyword that you're telling these leads to comment on? Is it comment the word strong? I'm just using fitness terms specifically for this. Is it strong? Is it booty? Is it like whatever, right? So it's something along the lines, whatever that comment is, then that's what will trigger Charlie based off this Instagram comment on post. Now, to get the Facebook one, the exact same thing, okay? Facebook, exact same thing, pages, contains phrase, and then all you have to do is when you come to trigger, you type in Facebook. And here we go, Facebook comment on post. Then once you set that up, you're gonna set up a condition. So everything is all in one place and you don't have to have a Facebook one, then an IG one. As you notice, this particular AI setter here is called IG and FB. So I'm just keeping it all in one place so I don't have to keep on putting in another workflow, whatever. It's totally up to you if you want to do that, by the way. I just wanted to keep it simple and make it all in one workflow. But you can separate it and have it in two different workflows. All you do is just, you build one side in IG and another workflow, and then you duplicate it and then have it and then you have a Facebook one. But for this here, I went ahead and put a condition, okay? Condition, just name it here. And then the one branch is called Facebook, the other branch is called Instagram, okay? And then you select a workflow trigger is Facebook comment, because that's what the trigger was. And then the Instagram one, same thing, is workflow trigger is Instagram. Now, if you don't see these here, make sure when you do select the triggers, you hit save. Then at that point, now that it's saved, the workflow trigger is here. So if you set this up in the workflow trigger and then all you see is blank, that means you did not hit save after you set up these triggers. So, because that's very important. I ran into it before. So just make sure when you do set up the triggers, hit save, then go into start the process of setting up the condition, right? Just have a habit of saving literally every little detail that you end up doing. All right. So like I said, Facebook, all you do is you come in here and you'll see contact details, date, time, etc. You just click on workflow trigger is Facebook. Then you'll have an Instagram one. Workflow trigger is Instagram. And the way you technically make another like branch, like how this one is, all you do is add branch and then you do the Instagram one, etc. Okay. So, and then you'll always have a none branch here, there. All right. Now that we have our Facebook side and then we have our Instagram side, all we got to do is set up each one. So you could do reply and comments. You could just name this to whatever you want. It could be check your DMs, amazing, check your DMs. You got it, check your DMs. Another one can be, okay, great, sent the details to your DMs. It could be, you know what I mean? Put whatever you want the system to actually send a comment within that post, right? Sent the details to your DMs, to your DM, whatever, right? And then you can either have the system like the comment or not like the comment. So if you want like the comment, plus send the message, this is how it would be set up. All right. Then, so that would be respond on comment, right? And then you come in here and put Facebook interactive messenger, okay? And then reply to comment via DM. So it's going to send the message in their DM. And then here, It's going to be whatever you want it to say. So for example, let me copy this, put this on the Facebook side. So right, for example, let's just say for this particular brand, hey, tap the button below to get access to the free guide on losing weight during menopause, whatever, right? So that's will be the name. And then after that, the button will be tap here. I like using tap here because you're telling the lead to literally tap here, right? They're going to tap it. And then you would send them to wherever you want. You can open a website. So let's say this wasn't here. Let's say I add a new button, blah, 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 blah. You can select a call number, perform an action, open website. To keep it simple, I just went ahead and just select the website, and then you can put a website to that particular freebie. It could be a Google link, whatever, right? And then I'm going to put like about a 5-minute wait here. And the reason for the 5-minute wait is because I'm waiting for them to take action by pressing the button, the tap here button. I'm giving them enough time to actually click on it. Okay. You can put as much time as you want here. You can put 10, 15, 20 minutes, whatever you want. Okay. Then if they do hit that tap here button, it's going to put a 5-minute wait. Right. And then after that, you select the Charlie that you want to be here. So for instance, this is the FB side. So I have an FB only Charlie. Okay. I select that use case. And now I'm not really going to go into it here because you should have done this before watching this video. So you would select your use case, you leave this API as is, and then you select the source FB. And then that's it. That's how you would set up a comment feature inside of that for Facebook. And then all we're doing is literally replicating what we did on this side, but on this side. So respond to comment, exact same thing. Interact, except instead of using Facebook, you're going to have to change it to the Instagram interactive messenger. So when you come in here, so you could just see it, all you do is type in Instagram interactive messenger. Same thing if you were on the other side, Facebook interactive messenger. Okay. Then same thing, wait for 5 minutes. But this is where you need to make sure you're correct is if you're on the Instagram, you have to select the source in Instagram. And if you have a Charlie specifically for Instagram for this particular type of use case, then you would select your IG only, like how this particular account is set up. Okay, so that is how you would set up a comment feature for Charlie to respond via IG or FB comment feature. All right, so hopefully that was helpful for you guys. Any questions, let us know. But that's how you would set this up, and I will see you guys in the next one.